Start with the bottom of the egg, which is a big U shape. And we're going to connect the two lines with a zigzag. Start your line over on the left-hand side, go straight up, and then do the same over on the other side so they both end at the same place. On this end, you're just going to curve over and around. Same on the other side, and then connect those two. Up, a little circle, little circle, little W, little U, 3 small lines on the top, 3 little whiskers, color in the eyes, bottom of the egg, we're going to do a slight curved line from one side to the other. Then on one side you do a half circle, and then on the opposite side another half circle, and then add 2 spots.